Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
Unbox the Nest Hub and remove all packaging carefully before powering it on. Plug the included 30W power adapter into a wall outlet and connect the hub immediately. Place the hub on a flat surface 3 to 4 feet from eye level for comfortable viewing. Keep the hub at least 1 meter away from other wireless devices to reduce interference. Choose a central location near your Wi-Fi router for best signal strength. Ensure the surface is stable and clear of liquids or heat sources. Open the Google Home app on your phone or tablet and tap Add, then Set Up Device. Follow on-screen prompts to find the Nest Hub and confirm the 4-digit code shown on the display. Connect the hub to your 4 GHz or 5 GHz Wi-Fi network using your network name and password. Sign into your Google account and agree to permissions for assistant services and data. Enable voice match to personalize responses and link media accounts for music and video. Complete any firmware update prompts before continuing to customize settings. Set up voice match to enable personal results for calendar, reminders, and messages. Link streaming services and adjust default music and video providers in the Google Home settings. Use the physical microphone mute switch to instantly disable audio input when you want privacy. Review camera and usage controls if you have a Nest Hub with camera, and disable camera access if preferred. Check for automatic firmware updates and install them to keep your device secure and responsive. Create routine.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.